Okay, this is what we got for you today, guys. We're gonna wet sand the hood with P600 right there. We're gonna use some palm olive, water, and a hard block. We're gonna wet sand the hood with 600 before we apply a base coat. Okay, fellas, we went ahead and wet sanded the panel with 600 grit sandpaper, wet sand, and we hit everything. And then on the corners, we went ahead and got a red Scotch-Brite and went around the corners here. Now we're going to be ready for paint. I wiped it down with tar grease remover, and then we're going to hit it with a tack rag before we start spraying. We're going to be using the FLG 5 1.4. Okay, so that's the base. We went ahead and sprayed the base on here. So now it'll be time to spray the clear coat. We're going to put the Diamond Flex Clear on here. When you're spraying, your base coat. It's 100+ degrees in here, and I don't have any slow reducer, and so I sprayed it with medium reducer, so time is of the essence, so I didn't get all the footage, you know, but it came out all right. I am gonna have to do some touch up, because this is what getting in a hurry does. I dropped my mask when I was taking it off, and it landed right there, and I had a little piece of garbage right there that I was going to get out, but I'll fix that, and I'll show y'all how to do it, because if you're painting, it will happen. You will make mistakes. Things will happen. But other than that, the paint job, other than a little piece of garbage over there on that corner, came out perfect. So the desiccant air filter is working good. I did change my gun filter out. I've been telling myself I was going to change it out for 2 months now. I went ahead and put a new gun filter on there, but everything else came out good. And you know, for reference, it's nice and dull. It literally sprayed 15 minutes ago. It's totally dry. So that's spraying the base. I'll fix that. I'll show y'all how to fix that. It's not a big deal. It's just let it flash off for a little while, about 6 hours, and I'll come back and I'll fix that, and then we'll spray the clear. But it's way too hot out here right now. I can't handle it. So thanks guys for watching, and that's spraying the base on the hood. Thank you. Okay guys, we got the clear coat put onto the hood. I went ahead and put an extra coat of clear on there because I'm going to go ahead and sand it, and we're going to go ahead and flow coat it. It's still wet, so I've used the slow hardener today because it's so hot. But we're going to go ahead and sand it, flow coat it, and put 2 more coats on after that, so it'll be a total of 5 coats for the Honda. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's the paint, base coat and clear coat for the Honda hood. And thanks for watching, guys.